Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only PDF file from Google Drive in a high quality. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you need to open up the PDF on Google Drive that you want to download. And once you've opened up the PDF file, I want you to click on the More Actions button up here, then click on Open in New tab. Depending on the size of the PDF file, it may take a while to load. And the next step is, either with the scroll wheel or with the draggable slider on the right hand side of your screen, I want you to slowly scroll through every page in the PDF file. This ensures every page is loaded, so when we run our JavaScript code, it will download every page in the PDF file. Once you've scrolled down to the bottom, you can then scroll right back to the top. And now the next step is you're going to want to open up the developer tools. You can either do so by pressing F12 on your keyboard. If F12 doesn't work, you can click on the three dotted button up here, then go to More Tools, then go to Developer Tools. And the next step is you're going to want to click on the link in the description below. It's going to contain some JavaScript, and I want you to select everything, and then right click and click on copy. Then go back to the PDF file, and you're going to want to be in the console, so if the console is not open, click on the console tab up here, and there may be an extra step you need to do. So if this is your first time using the console in Google Chrome, I want you to do the following command. Allow pasting. Then press the enter key. Don't worry if you see a syntax error, that just means you can already paste commands into Google Chrome. You have to do allow pasting to be able to paste commands into the Google Chrome console. You only need to do this once, so once you've done it, if you want to download another PDF in the future, you won't need to type it out again. Then you can right click and click on paste. And then press the enter key. This may take a while depending on the size of your PDF file. As this is a higher quality PDF download compared to other tutorials, the file size is going to be bigger. And once it's downloaded, you can either click on Show in Folder, or just click on the PDF itself. And we have successfully downloaded a higher quality PDF file. If we compare it to the original, they're pretty similar. And if you scroll through, all 30 pages are there. And that's all you need to do to download a view-only PDF from Google Drive in a higher quality. A couple of things to keep in mind. Firstly, whoever uploaded the file is not going to know you've done this. They're not going to be notified. However, they may find out if they're spying on you or you tell them. So just don't tell them. And if you need to download a lower file size PDF, click the video on screen on how to just download a PDF file from Google Drive. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.